welcome Dr. Arman Zargaran, Vice Dean for International Affairs, Office of the Person and Complementary Medicines, Ministry of the Health and Medical Education, Iran, to give a speech. Thank you.
Hello, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. In advance, I should thank the organizer of this very good event on traditional medicine. Such events can help us to improve traditional medicine or knowledge about traditional medicine and the situation, to integrating it into our national health system and our country. My short presentation is about Persian medicine as a gateway from the past for the future and the opportunities that this traditional medicine system can supply us for our healthcare system. As you know, Persian medicine is one of the oldest traditional systems of medicine that dates back to 1,000 years ago, and it is based on humoral theory. And one of the most important things is the continuity of this paradigm of medicine during the history. It is not only about Iran, current Iran, it is about cultural Persia and very vast territories that Persian medicine belongs to all the neighboring countries of Iran as well as Iran that could be practiced as a traditional medicine and complementary medicine in the countries all around neighboring Iran and also Iran. Therefore, the geographical coverage of this traditional system of medicine is very vast. We can see many of evidences about this traditional system of medicine from prehistoric times, and also in archaeological evidences, such as some of them I put in this slide from Burnt City in the southeast of Iran, dates back to about 5,000 years ago, and it's based on a humoral theory, and you can see these four qualities in the body. After Islam, it is developed during the Islamic Golden Age, and we can see too many Persian scientists like Jabir, like Ali Abbas, like Razes, like Avicenna, like Giorgiani, and so on, that developed this traditional system of medicine. And now we have many evidences about this traditional system of medicine. But in current era, in Islamic Republic of Iran, we have too many governmental documents for supporting Persian medicine. For example, from supreme leader level, there is some order to Ministry of Health to support and to developing traditional medicine, in particular Persian medicine in Iran. Also in parliament, it is included in the laws and in the orders made by the parliament that order to the government to support Persian medicine and to integrate traditional medicine into Iranian healthcare system. Also in presidency, there is a document on traditional medicine and herbal medicine that should be applied in the government. Also too many other documents that support that using traditional medicine in the country. Therefore, traditional medicine, in particular Persian medicine, is well regulated in Iran, and you can find too many structures to regulate Persian medicine in Iran. From 2007, the PhD program for traditional medicine and traditional pharmacy were started in medical universities of Iran, and only physicians and pharmacists, MD and PharmD degrees, could apply for this PhD majors. Also, there are a general directorate of Persian medicine in the Ministry of Health that is responsible for policy making in the field of traditional medicine and to integrate traditional medicine in the health system of Iran. Also in Iranian FDA, there is some regulations for traditional remedies, and there's a directorate for this purpose in the Iranian Food and Drug Administration. There are more than 17,000 books and treatises and manuscripts on Persian medicine. That is a huge resource, historical resource to work on this paradigm of medicine, on prevention, on treatment, on pharmacy, and other ones. And we have more than 10 years experience in academy. There are too many research centers and departments that work and research and work on education and other things. And we have more than 800 specialists, physicians and pharmacists that passed PhD degrees in these fields, and also the rich ethnopharmacological sciences all around the country. For example, and we can help medical system to improve. For example, in COVID-19 pandemic, there are more than 100 research projects that applied in these parts, and we have till this time 16 approved drugs for COVID-19 in traditional medicine and in herbal medicine. That 4 of them are industrialized and it is in the market, and physicians use it for their patients. And also in too many other research areas that or specialists work in integrating a situation with other specialists to improve quality of life, treatment, pharmacy, and other aspects in medical sciences. As in the end, it is an opportunity, and we have very good, well-structured academic centers and schools and departments, and as well as regulations for traditional medicines, and not only Persian medicine as well, but also Chinese medicine, homeopathy, and some other types that are regulated and approved in Iranian Ministry of Health. And we are ready to collaborate with other countries and WHO in any projects and any parts that we could have good collaborations in research, in joint programs, and other parts. And we have already some MOMs or MOUs and other contracts with many countries, and try to have these collaborations, and we are ready and welcome to expand these collaborations with any other countries, societies, and institutes. I tried to make a short introduction about Persian medicine briefly in 5 minutes. Thanks for your attention, and I enjoy the rest of this very good forum. Thank you.